Har Har Mahadev dosto, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Let's see how I created this beautiful mirror in 30 rupees only. So I bought this mirror for 10 rupees from a roadside vendor, and now I will use this leftover clay to make the wooden design. For that I will make several rolls of clay and stick it on to the mirror one by one. Now that our wooden design is ready, I will make some rose charms using the same clay and attach them to the mirror. But before that, I will paint on everything, the roses also, to enhance their color and the wooden design that we have created on the mirror.